By the way, in this video, I'm not meaning to brag. So this is the first thing. It is a fidget mystery package. So that was everything that came in it. Everything out. First is this rainbow stress ball. Orby Smash. Next, football foam stress ball. And also this basketball. Track. This is this mega spinner ball. This puzzle cube. Marble mesh. A mini snake. And then this heart puzzle ball. And this random thing. I'm not sure what this is. 3. And then this dinosaur one. Taking a bunny. A mini fidget guy. A puzzle ball. Chicken. And a mini Rubik's Cube. An acupressure ring. Bouncy ball. A slinky with a smiley. And this car thing. Next I got this mushroom purse, which it also came with this little mini mushroom. Okay, so this is the mushroom. Oh, that pops really good. And also, if you turn them around, they have like sensory things on the other side. Okay guys, next I got this Pop-It purse, and it also came with this Pop-It bracelet and mini Pop-It. The Pop-It purse pops really good. Now, let's see this adorable mini Pop-It bear. It pops so good, and it's so cute. Now, the Pop-It bracelet. Awesome. Next, I got this mini chicken little bag. That side pops really good. Wow, it pops really good. And it's so cute. I love this one. Next, I got these egg stress balls. Let's open. Alright. There's some white ones. Tan ones. And orange ones. They feel so good, and they're filled with Orbeez. I love the little cute packaging too. Next I got this zipper bracelet. Next I got this cow print fidget spinner dimple. I got these dimple blocks, and they feel so good. And you can build with them, and they're so cool. Then I got all these mochis. There's a lot in here, and they're all so cute. My favorite is this little dog and this elephant. There's a lot of mochis in here. There's like fruits, there's animals, there's this duck. There's a lot in here, and they're all so cute. Then I got these fidgets that look like Twizzlers, and they smell like Twizzlers too. They smell so good, and they're so fun to fiddle with. Then I got this mini heart poppet, and it's so cute, and it pops so good. Next I got these 3 dough balls, and they feel so good. I've always wanted a dough ball. And then I got this super realistic banana stress ball. I got this stress ball, and it's filled with Orbeez and foam things, and it feels so good. And then these teeny needles. Lastly, I got this shroom needle. It feels so good, and it's so easy to pop back on. Bye guys!